What's up? I'm just tired. We've been in the garage for a little bit. This is the second time I've had to record doing this video because I fucked up. But let's just get right to it. It's like 12 o'clock, so he's tired. I guess the Mac signature grip, not really. No grip right here. I had them for about 3 weeks. This one's really worn down. I like my hands like right in the middle, the grips. I'm surprised because I'm right-handed, and the only reason why this one is not there in the middle is because they're so thin, which I really like, but they get holes in them like really easy. Like they tear and stretch hell fast. So I only had them for 3 months, but they were really good grips. Now I get them again, but I don't know. I'd probably get like 3 pairs of them at the same time. I got some metal Subrosa bar ends. My favorite bars right here, the Mac bars. They're really amazing. I've only had them for 8 or 9 months. Well, that's a while actually for me, but I mean, look at. They're not cracked and they haven't snapped. You can tell like they're just really beaten up. In the middle, the crossbar, they're all dented and shit. Right here. I was going up really fast to this ledge. And I was trying to smith it or something, I think it was. And then there was a crack in the ledge. And I fucking ate shit so hard. And I fucking went face first into it. But hey, I'm still here, so. The Colt Salvation version 1 stem. It weighs just as much as version 2. Version 2 is just fatter. I talked to Robbie at Colt, and they said that they're going to continue making these stems, and they haven't, so just haven't gotten around to doing it. Got the Colt version 2 sec forks. Not the ICs, I like the secs. They're really tapered, and I just like the style, the look. Got Colt integrated headset. Kind of lied. It's just a cap. The headset's actually I think it's a fit or something. Just kind of forgot. Looking for something. What are you doing? Oh, he was moving around clothes. I thought he was looking for something. Okay, we're gonna go inside right now. I'm gonna finish this. He looks mad. He's probably gonna start barking at me. But anyway. Then we got one Odyssey pedal. The other Odyssey pedal won't come off, but these are just stock fit pedals. I got off that bike. I need new pedals. This bitch won't come off. We got some Mutiny cranks. They're really good. Designed in Texas. Then I got Mutiny Octade sprocket. It weighs like 3 ounces. It's pretty cool, and it's blind drive. So, yeah, even less. Wait, got a regular KMC chain. I'm sorry, phone. A regular KMC chain with a King's bottom bracket. Probably can't see that. Oh well. We got Demolition Machete tire in the front and a little Tom White wall in the back. Cool match. I bought hella fucking primo things for it and made this bitch hella loud. I laced it myself. I laced it to a Alienation Black Sheep. I laced it last summer. It's pretty good. With God knows what kind of spokes. I think that's everything except for the frame. So, the front's a double wall Revenge hoop laced to I think it's a Revenge hub. I'm not sure if Revenge buys different hubs or if they make their own. I know at S&M I think S&M created Revenge, but I couldn't be sure about that. And then we have a Fit Lobo seat. I have a few seats I had actually in the garage. My last Fit Lobo, this Odyssey seat. My mom would kill me if she found these. And then fat Reynolds seat, and then that seat post. This is my helmet. Shout out to Albies, they shot me hella stickers, and yeah, made my helmet look cool. That's my second one, my last one was red. I don't have my actual pegs that I use. Actually, where's the other peg at? I'm not sure, it was a white plastic one, it's around here somewhere. But yeah, my garage is a mess. We got the roof redid. And a bunch of shit that was up there had to get put down here and was put in the corner, and like all the, this room's just hella dusty and nasty, and I need to clean it. But yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, this is the Mac 3 frame. I think it was the signature. This is for 2013. It's 100% chromoly, and I think down here it's heat treated. I cracked it, a fat ass crack right here. I just removed some of the paint. My mom threw away my torch, so I can't dab anymore. But I just told her that I used to like get the torch and burn the paint off, and it would just come right off. But I kind of miss my torch. This frame's Gonzo. I'm ordering a new one this month. I just cracked it this month. Kinda see it right there. Oh, there's another peg. Black Ops peg. Another peg. These are just pegs I had lying around my garage. My actual pegs that I ride with are the Fit OG pegs. They're at my grandma's house. I left them over there when I was just trying out my brother's frame. But you can see it's a pretty big crack. I have this frame for a little bit over a year, maybe a year and a month or so. A year and like 2 months maybe. So like 14 months. I really did like this frame. It was a 21-inch top tube. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Sorry about the messy garage. My house probably looks like a fucking piece of shit because my garage is a mess. But hey, it's whatever. Come on, Pong. Say bye.